everybody, it's Crafting Journey with Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel and my studio. I'm in my jammies, yes. And it says, I'm sorry for what I said when I'm sleeping, but I wanted to get this video out. So I went to JoAnns. I wanted to see what the new Diamond Dotz setup was. And they did have, it didn't look like it was fully set up in my local store, but they did have all of the diamonds out. They had, and maybe they ran out already, actually none of the blank canvases that I'm told they are going to be selling. And I did not find any books with patterns in them, but I did find some diamonds. So they had a whole display of every diamond color, I guess, that they have. Quite a great variety, but one of the things I really was on a mission for is I'm looking for a square 311s. Well, I did not see any squares. I saw rounds, and I did not see 311 because Diamond Dotz does not use DMC numbers. They have their own numbering system. So I did pick up some ABs because you don't really need the numbers for those. I'm just going to plug them in wherever I think they would look nice. And that's really all I walked out with from the Diamond Dotz. I didn't see any paintings on sale or anything like that. So I got this box of 5, and in the box came this real pretty yellow, and I'll show you. I have them set up in the trays as well in case my camera doesn't focus. So that's a pretty AB color, but the yellow, and then these 5, which was a blue, a white, a red, and a green. And then I got these 3 separately, just because I liked them. But the 5 was $14.99, and I used a 50% off coupon, so I got the 5 of these for $7.50, which I don't think is bad. I think they're 12 ounces each of diamonds, quite a number of diamonds in each container. And then these were on sale as well, and I got those for, the regular price is $2.99, and I got them for $2.24 each. So I wanted to show you what they look like. Here is this gorgeous, gorgeous blue. It's like a dark blue. Now, I don't know what I'm going to use these for yet, but the ones that did not come in the box, these 3 that came separately, that not in the box, oh my God, so hard to open. Holy cow, I had the scissors, and it took me a while to get these 3 open. The box did not have this outside sort of tape wrapped around them, so they just opened right up. See, there's nothing on the outside of them that were inside the box. So let me show you these first ones. This is this gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Hopefully my camera will focus. There we go. Really, really pretty dark blue. Then we have a silver, so pretty. And then I'll show you the yellow that I showed you before. These are stunning. Gorgeous. And of course, this was the only shade of pink they had. And it's really not that pink, but it was really the only thing they had. I don't know if they had some and they ran out, but I mean, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful, and I'll find a place to put it. Isn't that gorgeous? There's 13 facets in these diamonds. I also did not find on the box the size of the diamonds. Like, is it 2.5, 2 point, you know, whatever. It doesn't tell you. It just says there's 12 grams in each of the containers. So it doesn't tell you, but they look like normal sized diamonds to me, but I'm no diamond expert. Here's the blue. Isn't that gorgeous? This was in the a set of 5 that I bought. See if we can get that to focus. Look how they sparkle. And they're nice and flat. See the ones that are turned over? They are nice and flat on the other side. So let me put these away, and I'll show you the other 3 as well. So you can see you're getting quite a few diamonds in each of these little containers. So it's going to last me a while. All right, I'm just going to put that over there. All right, put the lid on it. They call this color red sparkle. It's kind of a reddish orange. But again, super gorgeous. Who doesn't like the sparkle? See what I mean? It's sort of orangish, but it'll look great on a painting somewhere. Now they had all kinds of these variety packs. They had fluorescent, they had other colors of ABs. This is just a pack that I chose. The fluorescence looked kind of cool. But I just figured I would start out with these and, you know, see where it takes me. All right, this is, they call it bright green sparkle. It is more like, I'm going to say, a greenish yellow or an olive green. It's not really green. So if you want to replace your DMC with these, you're just going to kind of have to use, you know, your imagination and match them up. This is probably my least favorite, is the green, but it did come in the package. Okay, I'm getting green diamonds everywhere. I'll clean that up afterwards. And then the last one is close to, I'm going to say this is more like the DMC 142 that we see quite a bit. We're not unfamiliar with this color, but it's always great to have extra, isn't it? You can never have enough of the white AB. So gorgeous. So I think you can guess which one's my favorite. I super like the pink, and I really like the dark blue. But like I said, I don't know what I'm going to use them for yet. I haven't decided. I'm not going to put them in my Love and Roses. I don't think. Because this pink is not really, it's just, I just don't feel like it would go anywhere in that painting. Maybe this silver somewhere, I don't know. I have to think about it. But I like having these on hand. you know, just in case I ever want to do this, add some ABs to one of my paintings. I haven't done that before. Look at the mess I made. Goodness gracious. So anyway, go to go to JoAnns. Make sure you have a coupon. You don't want to pay full price for anything at JoAnns. Just take my word for it. And they do take Michael's coupons at JoAnns. So, and I think the plan is for them to have a larger display of the Diamond Dotz products. They just haven't gotten there yet. But here's what I found so far, and I just wanted to bring that to you. So thanks for coming on this journey with me, and I will see you in my next video.